Is your Final Cut Pro slow as hell, or do you keep on getting that spinning beach ball that just makes you want to throw your computer out the window? Well, I had exactly the same problem, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to fix it. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and click the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. So if you've got some problems with speed on Final Cut Pro X on your computer and you don't think it's down to hardware issues at all, so your computer is able to run Final Cut Pro X and you've also got the most up-to-date software, then this is a method that I used in order to speed up my Final Cut Pro X, and it worked for me and many other people. So first of all, you're going to want to make sure that you have closed out entirely of your Final Cut Pro X. Don't ever try to delete the preferences file from Final Cut Pro unless you have completely closed out of the application. Now that we've done that, you just have to go up to the Finder at the top and then find Go, and then on your keyboard on your Mac, hold down the Option key, it's Option Alt, and then you want to click on Library that will appear in the menu, and then scroll down until you see Preferences. And then you're going to have a load of preference files in there. You want to find the one that says com.apple.finalcut.plist. That's the only one that you want to get rid of. So you're going to want to right click on it, click Move to Trash, and then delete it from your computer. And then you're going to want to empty your trash by going up to Finder and then Empty Trash. And then of course confirm that. Once that's all deleted from your computer, you're going to want to load up Final Cut Pro just as normal. It's going to take a bit longer to load up, but once it's all loaded up, you should see that your problem has subsided. So thank you very much for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that it helped you out at least a little bit. If it did, then be sure to hit the like button down below. And of course, if you have any problems with this at all, as always, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. And as always, I'll see you all in the next video.